Alright, welcome back to another episode of solving the SAT exam question. Now look at this particular question 3. Look at this question 3 here. The question says, which of the following statements is true about the graph 2y? So you have the graph there. The graph is what? 2y minus 3x equals -4. Now in the xy plane, look at the options. It has negative slope and a positive y intercept. And the second question is that what? The second option is what? It has a negative slope and a negative y intercept. And then the third option there says that what? It has a positive slope and a positive y intercept. The last option there says that it has what? A positive slope and a negative y intercept. Now, how do you solve a question like this? Very, very simple. This is one of the simplest questions I've seen so far. So what do you do when you have something like this? It's very, very simple. Alright, so the first thing to do is to first put this equation in form of standard equation of a line, which is what? Y equals what? Mx plus what? C. Do you see that now? That is the first thing you have to do. Alright, so now what you want to do is from this your equation now, you make y the sub, you isolate y. So let's isolate y. That's gonna give us what? 2y equals -4 plus 3x. all right, I'm adding 3x to both sides. All right, so that's what we did there, such that I would now have 2y equals 3x minus 4. So the next thing is to what? Divide through by 2. So let's divide through by 2. Dividing through by 2, this will take this. I'm gonna have y equals what? I'm gonna have y equals 3 over 2x, then minus 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. Now you can see from here your m, which is your slope, is what? 3 over 2, and your c, which is your intercept, is what? -2. As it is called the y intercept. So from what you have there, what do you think the option will be? A positive slope. Are you seeing that now? A positive slope and a negative intercept. So where is that? Positive slope and negative intercept. So that is option what? Option D. Do you see that now? Positive slope and what? Negative intercept. That is option what? Option D. So when you see a question like this, the best thing to do is to solve it, put it in the standard equation of line form. I guess what I'm saying. Then from there you make y isolated and get the final answer, and then you interpret it into the question. So this is how you solve a question like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. All right.